Neil and Rhonda McNickle's GT Ranchero. As if straight from the wrong side of the tracks, this way cool looking Ranchero ute Neil and Rhonda's has turned from an old farm truck looking automobile to a very cool looking offshoot of a Torino GT straight from the 70s muscle car era. Starting off as a barn find in Cambridge, complete with the wood grain side trims and looking extremely 70s ranch style, Neil already knew what his plan was going to be to turn this farm truck into something cool. Neil's no stranger to custom work in the hot rod world. We featured their other driver Lincolnstein in issue 3 of Octane Fix. This stunningly cool build, complete with lots of delicate custom work to accentuate their already cool Lincoln styling, so it goes without saying that this build was never going to be outdone by Starsky and Hutch when it comes to the graphics. Dave McEwen, custom art guru, was enlisted to add his artistic flair, creating the side graphics with a fish scale airbrushing and metal flake finish which honestly glistens against the Colorado white paint in the sunlight. The American Racing torque thrust wheels with big sidewalls are further adding to the styling to bring this old barn find back to the right side of the tracks. Torino bonnet with a twin reverse air scoops detailed with matching blue graphics, fully bringing the old farm truck into the muscle car league of its style. The interior didn't get left alone either. An Elson Terra seat was reupholstered and dropped into place, along with a racing style Grant steering wheel which added a further take on the muscle car theme. And that hole up front is a tall deck Cleveland punching out 357 cubes through a C6 auto to the diff in the back. Harley Davidson strapped on the back keeps the ute's roots planted on the farm though. This New Zealand built evil machine carrying a massive 5.5 horsepower Honda engine ready to throw him off the back at any moment. Looks the part in matching colours with its custom seat. If you're from the 70s era, chances are you fell off one of these on the farm for sure. This muscle ute is a pretty cool ride considering it's a daily driver. Parked in the shed next to the Lincoln is another pretty cool build under construction which we'll bring to you in further issues. Rhonda's not shy either. She's got her own build sitting in the shed next to this as well, so there's lots to come out of that shed yet.